All I want is you instrumental. Killing me. It's killing me. Why can't you see? It's my baby. It's killing me. First degree murder, broke into my heart, then she stole it like a burglar. Healing me slower than a cancer. Talking to the footballs, but they don't have no answer. Left me, cardiac arrest me. Went into a shock like I suffered epilepsy. Feels like I died first and been rebirthed. Woke up in the hospital but couldn't find my night nurse. Nearly a year since she disappeared. When I'm on my own, my lonely heart still trickle tears. And even though that I'm a strong guy, had to let my emotions go and make this song cry. Maybe I'm just like my mother, and that's the reason why the doves cry. I probably was the wrong guy, that's the reason why she had to leave without a goodbye. Jeez. It's killing me. Why can't you see? It's my baby. It's killing me. Time to start again. Every time I say your name, I pain inside my heart again. So I may never laugh again when we're good deeds ever remembered in the hearts of men. Nah, beg friend, I may not pretend. Every time I moved away, bringing up the past again. Reach the road's end, like boys to men. No boomerang though, this is where the story ends. Now it's really killing me. Counsel from your girlfriends, but they were never feeling me. That's why they ain't got a man, but time to watch a man up on the Instagram. If I could turn back the hands of time, I would pre my own business and I would handle mine. Slipped out my hands like the sands of time. Now I can't see you, guess that's why they say that love is blind. It's killing me. Why can't you see? It's my baby. It's killing me. It's killing me. Why can't you see? It's my baby. And it's killing me. Whoop.